Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamaican-style rice. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of long-grain white rice, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, about 1 1/2 cups of water, a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh thyme, a few scallions, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for flavor, not heat. You will also need salt and black pepper. Begin by rinsing your 2 cups of rice under cold water until it runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, in a medium pot, sauté your finely chopped onion and minced garlic until fragrant. Pour in the full can of coconut milk, 1 1/2 cups of water, and add your fresh thyme, scallions, and the whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Bring the liquid mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Add your rinsed rice to the pot, stirring gently to combine everything. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 20 minutes. Do not lift the lid during this time. After 20 minutes, remove from heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Finally, remove the Scotch bonnet pepper and any large sprigs of thyme. Gently fluff your perfectly cooked Jamaican-style rice with a fork. It should be light, fluffy, and full of amazing flavor. Serve it alongside your favorite curries, stews, or jerk chicken for a truly authentic meal. This recipe makes about 4 generous servings. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.